Coriander water for weight loss, how to use the miracle potion to lose weight. Coriander stimulates digestive enzymes and juices, which are known to enhance our digestive system. They are a good source of fiber too, which promotes weight loss. It goes without saying that weight loss needs discipline and dedication. It is not a feat that can be achieved overnight. Your diet forms a significant part of weight loss journey. Swapping unhealthy, refined and fattening ingredients with healthy and wholesome ones can go a long way in shedding those extra inches around your belly. In addition to foods, there are plenty of herbs that are known to induce weight loss as well. Coriander is one such herb that is known for its incredible digestive and weight loss benefits. It is tough to imagine an Indian kitchen without coriander leaves, coriander powder and coriander seeds. Coriander is said to be one of the oldest spice ever known to mankind. Food writer Mariam H. Rishai in her book The Flavor of Spice writes, "The oldest coriander seeds have been excavated at a pre-pottery era Neolithic site in Israel that dates back to 7000 BCE. Coriander is valued immensely in Ayurvedic medicine too. It is packed with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that they can regulate cholesterol, stimulate appetite, and improve digestion." Here's how coriander helps weight loss. Coriander stimulates digestive enzymes and juices, which are known to enhance our digestive system. They are a good source of fiber too. A good digestive system is key to weight loss. Bad digestion can lead to weight gain, as we are not able to absorb and assimilate our nutrients properly. Moreover, it may not be able to eliminate waste from our body efficiently either. This may lead to slowing down of the metabolic rate, which makes it more difficult to burn calories properly. Coriander leaves infused water can replace all your high-calorie beverages too. Bungi infuse leaves in a tumbler of water and keep sipping into this low-cal beverage through the day. Coriander leaves possess an important element, known as quercetin, which helps fasten metabolism too. Coriander water serves as a great detox drink as well. Detoxing helps eliminate all excess toxins and help you feel light and contribute to weight loss. How to make coriander water for weight loss. Number 1. You can throw some coriander leaves in a bottle of water and leave it in refrigerator overnight. Drink next morning. Number 2. You can juice coriander leaves too. Chop a cupful of coriander leaves and add them to a grinder. Add a cup of water and blend it well. Drink it every morning for best results. How to use coriander seeds for weight loss. All you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of dhania seeds and boil some water. Put the seeds in the boiling water and let it bubble for a minute or so. Remove the water from the flame and let it cool. Keep the water with the dhania seeds overnight and filter the water in the morning. The seeds help the body in shedding the excess water weight, in a healthy and natural way.